Personalize lighting for each individual key, customize lighting effects, and enjoy in-game integrations from a spectrum of 16.8M colors with Logitech G Hub. 1. GX Brown is a traditional mechanical switch providing discernible actuation for gamers who prefer direct tactile feedback. This keyboard is also available in linear and clicky switch experience, sold separately. Memory foam rests quickly and fully recovers from pressure, so every use is as comfortable as the first. Aircraft-grade 5052 aluminum top case is anodized and brushed for a slim, premium design plus rigid durability. Convenient USB pass-through port makes it a snap to plug in your mouse, flash drive or phone for direct data transmission or charging. Play advanced with the choice of eSports Pros. G513 features GX Brown tactile mechanical key switches, next-general LIGHTSYNC RGB technology, premium aluminum alloy design, and comfortable palm rest. Top reviews from the United States. Really good keyboard. This keyboard was my first keyboard. I accidentally spilled some liquid on it and ruined half of the LEDs inside. I will be replacing it soon.